the Clinton Avenue Railroad Crossing in Fresno, California. So here we have the first signal. It's got a RACO Hydraulic gate mechanism, some WABCO 8-inch lights, and a US&S Teardrop bell. It's got a WABCO base as well. And then here's the other signal. It's the same setup, WABCO base, RACO Hydraulic, and I think those are RACO 8-inch lights, and then US&S Teardrop. Now this crossing has had an LED upgrade. Unfortunately, these are not incandescent anymore. That's pretty much it for the crossing. Now I'll get more photos.